Today we will continue our Unit 3 and we will do Worksheet 3. Its first sum is we are given some decimal numbers and we have to convert them in their standard form. I hope you remember about the standard form. Its first part is 0.25. We can write it in the form of 25 upon 100. Now we will divide it by 5. We get 5 here and 20 here. Again I divided by 5. 5 on the 5, 5 for the 20. Now 1 and 4 have HCF 1. So no more division can be done. So 0.25 is equal to 1 by 4. In second part, minus 0.052. We can write as minus 552 upon 1000. We will do the division and we will get our answer minus 13 upon 250. In second sum, we are given some decimal numbers and we have to add them. 2.5, 7.51, 11.501. We will convert them in like decimals. 2.5 will convert 2.500, 7.510, 11.501. See, I have written number under the number and decimal under decimal. And we will add these and then we get our answer 21.511. Third sum is compute the following products. We are given two decimals and we have to multiply them. 2.9 multiply by 3.5. 2.9 we can write it as 29 upon 10. 3.5 we can write it as 35 upon 10. We will multiply 29 and 35 and we get 1015. 10 multiplied by 10, there is 100. Now there are two zeros and we will put the decimal before two numbers and our answer is 10.15. In fourth part, we have to compute the following divisions. First part is 59.049 is to be divided by 9. We see that divisor is a simple number, no decimal is here. So we divide 59.049 by 9 and we get our answer 6.561. In second part, we have to divide 6.4 by 0.2. Here we see that divisor is also having a decimal in it. So we have to convert this decimal. 64 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 10. 64 upon 10, we change division into multiply and then we get the reciprocal of 2 by 10, that is 10 upon 2. And we get our answer 32. In fifth part, we see that divisor is having decimal in it. We convert it into 8 upon 1000. और जब हम डिवीज़न को मल्टीप्लाई के साइन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो डिवीज़न के बाद जो नंबर है उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है एंड इट विल चेंज इनटू 1000 अपॉन 8. देन वी डिवाइड एंड वी गेट अवर आंसर 309 upon 100 and in decimal it is 3.09. In fifth sum, evaluate the following. We are given some decimal numbers here and we have to compute them. First of all, there is a addition sign between these two numbers. We will add them and from the result we will subtract the 13.6. हम इसको फिर से like decimal में convert करेंगे. It will change it to 13.60. Then we subtract it and we get 14.24 as our answer. Now I hope you can do the sums by yourself.